Tabriz.
Hello guys, this is Valley from Neshki. Tabriz should be called the city of museums, museums with different topics, including the Tabriz Municipal Museum. You must see the building of the Tabriz Municipal Museum exactly in the middle of Tabriz city, in a square called Saat Square. This edifice is one of the beautiful and copper buildings, the dominant and spectacular city of Tabriz, which was built from 1314 to 1318 days in the abandoned and dilapidated cemetery of Nobar. Under the supervision of German engineers, and during the mayorship of Haj Arafah al-Maghsoodieh, and with a budget of 250,000 rials. The Tabriz Municipal Building has a four-faced clock tower with a height of about 30 meters, which chimes every 15 minutes, brings time to the ears of the people of Tabriz. The exterior of this building is carved from stone, and the plan of the building is similar to the plan of one flying eagle. In the basement of the Tabriz Municipality building, the Tabriz Municipal Museum is located in an area of 800 square meters, which is the first municipal museum in the world after the China Municipal Museum. When we enter the Tabriz Municipal Museum, Carpet Hall of this museum presents a special appearance to the audience. The 12 exquisite carpets in this collection belong to the carpets that were woven from the time of the establishment of the Tabriz Municipal Building until 1320 by the order of the then mayor of Tabriz, Arafah al-Maghsoodieh. One of the most interesting parts of the Tabriz Municipal Museum is the Camera Hall. In this forum, you can see the history and evolution of old generation cameras, old works and documents related to the municipality of Tabriz, gifts of foreign officials and personalities to the mayors, manuscripts and works of art of porcelain, travelogues written about Tabriz. Equipment and facilities and documents related to the city of the first ones were collected with the cooperation of Tabriz Municipality and some citizens of Tabriz. Has been exposed. Among the interesting works of this museum, we can mention the old photos of Tabriz, photos of the constitutional generals, photos of the first street fights and gas lamps that worked with oil and were used on public roads. When you visit this museum, with every step you take in this museum and with every look you take at the works and objects in the museum, you will review the illustrated history of the city of Tabriz and the first municipality of Iran. On your trip to Tabriz, try the traditional dishes of this other friend, including Tabrizi kuft, from well-equipped and relaxing restaurants in Shara. The sweetness of the palate is close to the unique souvenir of this country and a pleasant stay in 5 hotels. Sarah of this metropolis doubles the pleasure of traveling to Tabriz and visiting the Municipal Museum. This museum is waiting for the questioning look of every Iranian tourist and a welcome in sweet Azerbaijani Turkish language in Tabriz, the city of the first ones. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget subscribe and leave a message.